Buddy, today we're playing Tornado Alley Ultimate again. Uh, yeah, we're going to be playing this again. Because why not? I love this game, not gonna lie. Yeah. Hopefully my friend doesn't call me during my recording. Since they said they would call me back. Yeah. You don't get any context. Sorry guys. How am I out of bounds? I ain't even in the match yet, dude. I wasn't even in the match, bro. I need a few. Where the hell is the music from? Okay. Yeah, it sounds like it's loading. So how have your days been, guys? Mine's been kinda mid. I don't really know. Not gonna lie. Not the worst, not the best day of my life. But school's mid. I'm pretty sure that's not how it works. Oh, I didn't break all my bones. I wanted to break all of them, dude. How did 2 die from that, dude? It was an EF 0. Yay, we're back to the 20 Robux a month is wild. But the sounds aren't sounding. Look, you can't hear any sounds. Whatever. Yo, let's go, we got music. I wonder what we do next. Rotate next. Oh no. Is it Doomsday or something? There's no music. Never mind. Holiday World. Bro, I wish in the descriptions of games I swear to God, I said the music was copyrighted. I have to. It's going to be so annoying, man. Why is my coil not coiling? It's the Wi-Fi, bro. We didn't even get congratulations, whatever, dude. 6 tornadoes. 6 tornadoes is wild. I'm kind of tired today, so yeah. Not as tired as yesterday, but I'm still tired. So that's why, like, I'm not talking much about my day. Like, yeah. I had sport today, and that's about it. In sport, I had hockey, and that's what I had, dude. Sunset Mall. Huh. Oh, Lux University. Is it what I think it is? If you know, you know, guys. If you know, you know. Sad time. Sunset Mall. Tornado. Hopefully we're not quick. As long as it's not 40 fans, we should be fine. The sports store. There's no sports stuff in there, though. Sunshine Arcade. Pizza Paradise. Chest of Gold. Oh god. Food court. Best part. Food. What else are you serving in the food court, dude? Garage Palace. There's literally a boat in here. That car is shaking. Oh crap. Holy crap. I think I should run somewhere. Run more. Where else am I supposed to go? The music is fucking awesome. Stay alive! Stay alive! I can touch the wind. Let's go, dude. 15 minutes, or 16, whatever. Earth. You gotta love Earth. Here's the music. There's not a food place, guys. Is this place even damaged? Oh. A light fell. That's about all. The letters are everywhere. I wish we had the music afterwards, dude. One last match. Unless it's an entertaining match. I think we'll end the video there. Not gonna lie. Sending players back to the lobbies, please wait. Yeah. Tsunami. Okay. I know. $14 million is wild. The fact it will cost more than that, though. It will cost way more than that. It's literally a mall. What about all the products and stuff? Whatever. Server age 7 hours. You guys excited for this new game? This definitely, I'm definitely excited for this new game. Like, why wouldn't I be excited for it? And it's out before GTA 6 is going to be out, which is wild to think about. At one point they said it would be out this year. GTA 6, but no. Of course not. I don't know when in 2024. I'm in 2025. The new Disaster game is releasing, but it says in 2025. What do we have? Let's see if it's anything different. Boring. Incredibly boring. Like an easy dub, dude. There's the bunker. Why the bunkers all missing the sound to each other, dude? On every single map they're the exact same. Tornado. What did I expect to happen? A dust storm? This is a mad, dude. Where is it? Over there. complete rebellion.